Dito ka sa Flores siya nabibilin mo. Artisan Bakery. Masarap to. Ay, hindi. Parang kasi
O kasi
nag-include.
nung lagi kami nadaan dito, hindi ko pa
Sorry. Tagal niyang craving yan.
ganyan lang, coffee, bread,
Take out.
day.
Okay, thank you.
Dapat ano, nakain ka na.
Yung pala yun.
Basta pagkain, oo.
Ang black ng bisa. Tara, ano sabi mo? Dito ka sa Flores siya nabibilin mo. Ha?
Dubai Chewy Cookie.
Sabi mo yan, ha? Ano ba siya ng Maconax? Flourish Artisan Bakery. Masarap to, ha?
Dubai drink. Sila may croissant, fresh chocolate.
Kakainin mo ba isa dito?
Nasa car.
Ha? Kakain mo dito? Taya ka?
Lahat wala, dito na lang ako sa
Yung mga sila dito. Coffee. Meron din yung favorite mo, Chay. May croissant din. Favorite mo.
You want something else?
That's it? Yun lang?
Yung sinabi mo din, may coffee pa lang daw.
Ay, hindi. Nag-video lang.
Ano yan siya? Striving vlogger.
Ay, yeah. Yan, meron na.
Meron silang ano na magkano?
Ilang years na kayo dito? Bago lang?
Bago lang ako. Nasa
Siya lang kasi
O kasi
nag-introduce.
nung lagi kami nadaan dito, hindi ko pa ito nakikita.
Oh, titikman mo na yung Flourish. Tagal niyang craving yan.
Kulit ang kulit.
Ay, ay si Julie.
Sinabi siya, order na sa akin.
Magsasabi ka ng ano.
No.
Alam mo, may sasabihin ka.
Wala.
Ito.
Huh?
You tell me, magdito ka mag-vlog ko.
No, I didn't.
Nahihiya. Sama ko. Hiya ka? Ay, cannot look into my eyes.
Lain mo yan.
Alam mo, ma'am, yun yung gusto ko concept. Ganyan lang, coffee, bread,
Take out.
take out, grab and go. Then they have sandwiches. Then choices, pwede nga choices of pasta. Marami lang ako prefer.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You will not taste it here? Okay, thank you.
Dapat ano, nakain ka na.
At kakain ka niyan. Ay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yung pala yun. Ngayon ka magwawala. Kakainin mo na ba?
Only one.
Nakaka.
Dubai Chewy Cookie. Ano pa lang?
Kakainin na raw ni Syra. Oh. Patong mo dyan. Ano na, mababad yung anak mo.
Basta pagkain, oo.
Sige, vlog mo na.
This is their viral Dubai Chewy cookie. And I'm gonna try one only.
But first, where's it?
In Flourish and near Mamay Road. Near the Mercury.
It's a new, it's a new...
It's not actually new.
They
That-
just opened in Dai. They said they just opened last year, September.
Oh,
It's
really?
an artisan bakery.
Nana. Okay.
May I say? A big din
It's
pala.
very big.
Very big pala. You
Baka
can, cut,
madumihan ka.
you can cut into 4.
Dumi mo na. Ang black ng
So, how was it?
Ang yummy.
Come on, ASMR.
It's very yummy.
Ano? Anong verdict mo? Anong verdict mo?
What's verdict?
Kung ano yung ano mo? Kung ano yung reaction mo?
Yeah, that's
Yummy. In fairness.
so it's scrumptious.
Sige.
Is it chewy?
Mm-hmm.
Is it so sweet? Or the
No.
Dark chocolate.
What's the sweetness? The level from 1 to 10?
Like a 7.
7. So it's still so sweet.
But, it's like, maalat siya. Like, it's in the balance. It's perfect balance.
Oh, perfect balance pa talaga. One more bite. Tabi mo na yan.
No, I'm gonna finish this.
Ay, gonna finish that one?
Only one.
Hindi ka kumain ah. Nasab. You know, what will you say sa Flourish?
10 out of 10.
Baka mapanood nila to. Next time mag-vlog kami dito, tikman namin yung coffee.
Yeah, we wanna try the coffee
Coffee, yung,
and then the other
yung iba pang food nila. Kasi may croissant din, di ba?
food.
Ano, happy?
Super.
Yun yung Flourish Adventure ng anak ko. Na-order na kasi namin to ng yesterday, advance, di ba? Oh, kasi mabilis daw maubos to, kumbaga number of yung binibake nila, may certain number lang sila binibake, di sila pang mass produce, kumbaga may number lang. So oh, dyan yung sarap ng papel. Ayun, sige, that's our adventure dito sa Flourish. Then happy? Okay, happy ang anak ko. Di pa namin natitikman, pero happy ang anak ko.